Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with another news video topic. So today's news topic is here. There's Eddie Murphy receives AFI Lifetime's awarded funny and emotional celebrity reaction. So friends, let's dive deep into it. And friends, if you enjoy these videos, please don't forget to share your friend and don't forget to subscribe for next future's news updated information. So let's start it. This topic is news so at a night meant for laughter. The 51 AFI Live Achievement awarded tribute to Eddie Murphy turned unexpectedly heartfelt and unforgettable. So held at this iconic Dolby Theatre, and this evening kick off with Kevin Hart calling Murphy his idol while Karan Thompson leveled him these blueprints. Meanwhile, Tracy Morgan humorously crowned Murphy as his biological father. So even in his absence, Dan Aykroyd made his presence felt through as a speech ready by his daughter, poking fun at Murphy's larger-than-life personas. Stories appeared in from co-stars and collaborations, including Judge Reinhold, recalling their first meetings on Beverly Hills Cop. So where Murphy arrived in a Rolls Royce while he is tried to hide his beats up breath. So filmmaker Robert Townsend shared his Murphy supported his film Hollywood shuffled and even offered him a chance of direction. Eddie Murphy raw on the spot. So from hilarious and humbling, Martin Lawrence revealed how Murphy once refused a photo with him early in his career, only for these two later become family thought their children's marriage. So music legend Stevie Wonder reflected on working Murphy in Saturday Night Live, calling it one of your greatest moments on his life. So then came Chris Rock, who's compared and Murphy's culture impact on this Marlon Brando. So Savings Murphy reflected what is meant to be black leading man is Hollywood, effortlessly cool and unapologetically himself. So the emotional peak of this night came from this Dave Chappelle, so who spoke about the legacy his late friends Charlie Murphy in a powerful moment. So Chappelle revealed discussions with his Murphy about possibly reviewing Chappelle's shows and even inviting Murphy to step into Charlie's iconic role. Murphy's immediate reaction, a clear eyes. So the night is also saw appearance from stars like Eva Longoria, Bill Bragg, Jennifer Hudson and Mike Myers, who even show up dresses and stirred. So this award itself was presented by Spike Lee, making a meaningful moment between two cultural iconic who have not always agreed but continues to shape this industry in their own ways. So and in true Eddie Murphy fashion, this night ended with his widely unfiltered acceptance speech packed with bold outrage humor that reminded everyone sadly why he is a legend. So the event raised $2.5 million and it is set premiere on Netflix on May 31, 2026. So from this heartfelt tribute to larger and celebrations of it is reminder and lasting impact of Eddie Murphy on comedy, so cultural and generations of performance. So friends, that's was today's news. So these news topics are you thought best, so don't forget to subscribe for next future news updated information. Stay happy. Thanks for starting my channel.